Starting a new project in Canva, we're going to come over here to the Elements menu. If you scroll to the bottom, we're going to click on that first option in Grids, and you can see it should fill in your whole project screen. Then if you come to Uploads, here's where you can choose whatever photo you'd like to turn into a transparent version, but since I already have some photos saved, I'll go ahead and grab one real quick for an example. Now if you click on the photo, you should see an option for crop. There you can drag the photo around to whatever position you prefer, and whenever you have it where you'd like it, you click that Edit Images option. So right there you should see BG Remover or Background Remover. And if you didn't see that Edit Image menu right away, click on the photo in the project screen again and you should see that menu pop up. After a few seconds, as you can see, it got rid of our background, but we're not done just yet. The most important step is to save this as a transparent PNG. So as you can see, before we save it, make sure that says PNG. Adjust the pixel size to at least over 2000 so it's not really grainy when you re-upload it. And most importantly, click Transparent Background. Now go ahead and save that. Now, once we have that new transparent photo saved, we can come over to the project that we want to customize. Now from here, I'm going to go to our Uploads menu, and now we can click on Upload Our Own Media, and right there in our recent downloads, you'll see that new transparent photo we made. As it pops up in your Uploads menu, that means it's ready to use. And there's some other fun options, like you could flip the orientation of the photo if you feel like it looks better another way, but really this is just a quick, easy way to customize any sort of marketing material without having to use the same headshot.